Hi guys, it's Rocky again. Welcome to another quick video. I'm right in the middle of doing half a dozen things just now, so as you can tell, I'm at a slightly different angle. So this video I want to talk about PC upgrades. So my PC that I built a year ago, or December 2016, I already upgraded it once with the monitor I'm looking at, which is a BenQ 1440p GW2765 monitor, so 1440p monitor. The latest upgrade is right there, and it's a BenQ GW1765 1440p monitor. So I'm now dual monitoring, which is quite interesting. This is the first real time I've done it. I've used it in a work situation but not in a home situation before. It's quite weird because the desk I'm using at the moment is not really big enough, so both monitors are sitting more like this rather than like that, and it's not great. I also tried having my main monitor vertical and the second one horizontal, which is pretty cool, but I've had some teething issues, shall we say, with the second monitor. Excuse me, my graphics card at the moment only has, on the back it has two outputs. Well, if that's, don't lie, the phone's ringing, I'm just ignoring it. It has four outputs, two display ports, an HDMI and a DVI. So originally, well, so my main monitor is HDMI. New monitor, I've tried, it didn't work at all with the DVI output. The graphics card did come with a mini DisplayPort converter to full-size DisplayPort cable, and then the DisplayPort cable went into the back of the monitor. When I used that, it worked fine for about 10-15 minutes. Then I started getting these sort of random flashes on both monitors, like I'd move the mouse and a bar would flash. Same on the other side. So and the cable didn't look that great. So I ordered a couple of cables. One was a rigg, I think. It's a mini DisplayPort to HDMI cable plugged into the second monitor. What's great, no problem, is it only outputs at 1080 in the second monitor rather than 1440, which it did the other way around. I've then tried another setup where I had a HDMI cable to standard HDMI cable out again, going to a HDMI to mini DisplayPort adapter, and again the same 1440, no 1440, just 1080. I did try swapping the cables around, and I got 1080 on both on 1080 on the other monitor. So I've ordered another cable, which is a mini DisplayPort to full-size DisplayPort cable. Hopefully that one will work fine, and that'll fix the issues. And I'm looking at getting a bigger desk, but I'm limited by the length on this side. I have a bit more to play with, but then there are shelving units, and I can't. The desk I want from IKEA is just too small, and if you've ever cut any of these cheap desks open, you know it's just cardboard inside, and that's not really good for the desk, cutting the end off. I was looking at graphics card prices, and that's fucking ridiculous. It's just ludicrous. The graphics card I've got now is going for £100 more than when I paid for it, than when I bought it. Nvidia graphics cards are going for, Nvidia and GeForce graphics cards are going for silly money. This is all due to crypto mining, cryptocurrency. That's a whole other rant topic. That's fine. I wouldn't be buying a graphics card that comes out of a mining rig, because it'll probably be half fried, running at full load for God knows how many hours and the God knows what conditions, just so people can mine whatever coins to currency to transfer into whatever's. So I'm waiting for that all to crash off again to maybe get another graphics card. I'm thinking maybe going in Nvidia. I was thinking maybe I don't know, a 1060 or something. I don't know, it's money and time and dual match going to use it, but the graphics card I've got just now does power both monitors, so that's cool. But so yeah, that's my latest upgrade. I'm dual monitoring at the moment, and it is really quite cool. It's very handy, especially if I'm doing video editing on that and mucking about on that. excuse me. So, upcoming videos in the background there's my dragon. The issue I thought it had, no it doesn't, it has another issue. So you'll notice there's a couple of Macs in the background there. One's mine and one's that I got off eBay that's going back because it's damaged, but that's another whole other rant. So anyway guys, thanks for watching, catch you in the next video, take care, bye bye.